Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. This morning in class I got talking about my son. My son's going through a bit of a phase at the moment where he finds it difficult to rouse himself in the morning. He finds it difficult to drag himself out of bed. And now that he's started back at school again this term, this problem has become even more apparent and even more pressing. When he was younger, my son always used to be the first one up in the house. He would come bouncing down to the bedroom saying, "Daddy, I'm awake! The daytime started!" And I would have to remind him that it was only 5 and that I needed a bit more sleep. These days, you basically have to drag him out of bed and force him to get dressed and downstairs for breakfast in order to get him to school on time. As I was telling this story to my student, one of my students asked how old my son was, to which I replied, he's 9, going on 15. In other words, his actual real age is 9, but in many ways he has the behaviour of a 15-year-old. He's developed the sleeping habits of a 15-year-old. In the same way, if you think someone is a bit boring, a bit dull, you might say, when asked how old they are, I don't know, I guess they must be 21, 22, going on 70. It's usually, you say, a younger age going on an older age. You know, my husband, he's 40, going on 75. In other words, even though he's only 40, in many ways he already acts and thinks like a 75-year-old. Interestingly, you can also use the expression just to say that someone is an age, but almost the next year older. So you might kind of say, my son, he's 9 going on 10. He turns 10 next month. She's 6 going on 7. She's 7 in 2 weeks now. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up signal. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and we'd love to see examples of how you might use this little chunk of language yourself to talk about people you know. Please do write down your ideas in the comment section below.